Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all know me, this is Aishwarya, currently pursuing 8th semester in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. And my today's presentation is on my internship, that is Dumb Body Rise Indicator. I completed my internship at Southern Electronics under the guidance of Dr. Purnima GR, Department of E&C, and my external guide is Mr. Vardhan Kumar GR. So let us look into it. And firstly, let us look into the today's agenda. That is company's profile, plan of work, introduction, objectives, block diagram, flow algorithm, components required, advantages and disadvantages on dumb body rise indicator, applications, results and discussions, conclusion, and lastly references. So firstly, let us look into the company's profile, that is Southern Electronics Private Limited. It was established in 1971 and being a leading organization in serving in the aerospace, defense and other sectors like life science, fire safety systems, mining, industrial, environmental protections. And this company specializes in designing, development and manufacturing, product support and MRO activities. So the first department at Southern Electronics is Fire Safety Systems, and it is the first line of defense for the lives and the property in the event of fire. Fire safety technician is who will ensure that others are adequately protected in the fire emergency through fire safety systems and fire sensors, smoke sensors, ozone leak monitoring sensors, etc. So the second department at Southern Electronics is Avionics Systems. The aerospace and defense services they provide encompass the wide range of activities and industries involved in the design, manufacturing and operation and maintenance of the aerospace systems, equipments and technologies for the civilian and military purpose. So the third department at Southern Electronics is Life Science Systems, which also includes air and water treatment in this department. The Earth is the only planet that is suitable for the life in the universe. The three most important non-living resources for us is air we breathe, water we drink, and the land we live. These are all provided by the Earth and the universe. Without these resources, we cannot exist. In this section, we will discuss the importance of air, water, and soil for sustenance for living beings. First one is hair treatment. Ozone plays a crucial role in providing enriched oxygen, contributing to the maintenance of clean air circulation. Such controlled environments are dispensable for ensuring the reliability and the precision of electronic equipment used in biomedical research, diagnostic testing, and pharmaceutical manufacturing, where even minute particles can compromise results or product quality. Water treatment. In this life science sector of electronics industry, water treatment stands a crucial element in guaranteeing the quality and purity of water utilized across the various applications, including laboratory experiments, pharmaceutical manufacturing, and medical device production. Water treatment within the life science domain encompasses the several critical processes aimed at eliminating impurities. This is internship certificate and yeah. Now let us look into the objectives of this dumb body rise indicator. First one is to automate the various stages of production process such as designing, development and PCB board designing and soldering board. Second one is to track and monitor the quality of hair products throughout the production process in the avionics, fire safety systems and also in life science. To track inventory levels of raw materials and finished products and spare parts. So this is my plan of work at first week, second week, third week, fourth week. Yeah. Now let us look into the actual project, that is design for dumb body rise indicator. So let me give the brief introduction on this project. In heavy machinery operations, prioritizing the safety and the efficiency is so imperative. A crucial aspect of achieving both the goals involves efficient monitoring and controlling of dump body movement, especially in dump trucks, commonly used in the construction, mining, and waste management industries, and also in agriculture. The Dumb Body Rise Indicator project tackles this challenge by employing a sophisticated array of components, including IR receivers and transmitters, LCD displays, and LCD drivers among these. This is a block diagram of dumb body rise indicator. This is the vehicle path. It may be truck or JCB or something. IR transmitter one and IR receiver one is at the front of the vehicle, and this is back of the receiver vehicle. So IR here we are using the infrared sensors because it can sense plus or minus 45-degree behind or beside the vehicle. So IR transmitter 1 sense any obstruction behind or beside the vehicle. So it will sense and it sends the signal to the IR receiver 1, and it sends the signal to the microcontroller. Here we are using the ESP32 microcontroller. It is Bluetooth or Wi-Fi based. So also we are giving power supply to the microcontroller. After getting the signal from the microcontroller, it indicates to the LED, and it also displays on a LCD driver, and it displays on LCD display. And here is a background controller of the vehicle. The flow diagram of the dumb body rise indicator. Firstly, we need to start, and then formulation of requirements for transporting machinery to match date, and which is given to the data bank. Data bank means the information about the dumb body rise indicator truck and the weight of the load, and length of the dump, etc., and the operation information, how much it has to, weight it has to dump, etc. And criteria selection, we need to select the very good alternative for this by all this information, selecting the alternative, and then using assessment risk rates and etc. We are selecting the alternative, and then changes in the operation condition according to the risk rates. We need to change the operation conditions. If there any larger risk, then we need to go for selecting any other alternative for this. If all the conditions are working on good, so that we need to go for decision making, that is yes or no, whether it has to dump or not. So after dumping, we have to stop the machinery. Components required. Yes, we are using, as I told in the block diagram, we are using IR transmitter 1 and IR receiver 1 and IR receiver 2 and IR transmitter 2, regulated power supply and microcontroller, LCD indicators, LCD driver, LCD display, and backlight controller. Firstly, we are going for a Proteus simulation for this dumb body raise indicator. Before the PCB board designing, we need to go for Proteus simulation. So Proteus is a software you are using here. Proteus excels in the facilitating a streamlined design workflow by seamlessly integrating with the simulation and PCB layout modules. This integration enables the user to iterate quickly between designing stages and resulting a more efficient and iterative designing process. Ultimately, this translates to faster time to market and higher quality electronic products. Overall, this Proteus emerges a versatile and a powerful software suite that addresses the diverse need of electronics engineers and designers. So before going for PCB design and components, everything, if we go for Proteus simulation under this may give a brief idea about cost, whether it is working or not. So before go for any physical setup, we need to do this digital simulation. So next one is advantages and disadvantages of dumb body raise indicator. Firstly, let us look into the advantages, that is operational efficiency. Once a driver of the truck or any JCB got to know the operation and how the sensors work and the backlight controlling of all these dumb body raise indicators, then it can work efficiently, and it provides safety for the driver, truck, and also the physical things that is obstructions near the truck, and equipment protection. It provides the truck and also the human beings around the race indicator, and user friendly. If once a driver got adjusted with the backlight controlling and all, then it is user friendly and long term investment. If once we invest for these sensors, they may work around 10 years, so that it is a long term investment. And next one is disadvantages. Cost. So it is so costly because setting up all these sensors for the heavy trucks and dump bodies, it is so costly, and it is complexity. Setting up all these sensors in the huge trucks, it is so complex. And environmental factors, when it is raining or moisture content on during a high sun, the sensors may not work properly, so that it is environmental factors affects this operation. The transportation where trucks, JCBs, etc., and mining operations. We are using many JCBs and trucks in the mining operations. So the dumb body rise indicator plays a very crucial role in mining operations. In agricultural processes, we are using tractors in the agricultural processes, that is where the IR sensors should be installed. And construction sites. In the construction sites also, we are using many JCBs and trucks. In this also, it is so helpful. So the results: effectiveness in accident prevention and structure damage reduction. These sensors sense the obstruction nearby and helps in the accident prevention and reduction of structure damage. And operator feedback on usability, reliability, and practicality. So this sensor sense the obstruction and gives the feedback to the driver on working efficiently and reliability on this dump trucks and dump body raise indicator. Cost benefit analysis regarding the installation and maintenance. It is a one time investment, so that it is a cost benefit, and it is also a maintenance free. Regulatory compliance facilitation. Regulating the sensors and backlight controllers is so reliable. Long term durability against wear and tear of obsolescence. So these sensors can withstand with the wear and tear of the or damage to any dumb body rise indicator or a truck. And effectiveness of training program for the usage. Once the driver is trained with this using, so it is effective in usage. And incident analysis and identifying the structures, uh, analyzing and sensing the obstructions nearby and identifying them is so effective by the dumb body rise indicators. So these are all the results. Yeah, conclusion. We can enrich the teamwork ability during the internship, and my presentation skills was enriched. And identifying the real-time problems and giving the solution for it, and some technical skills regarding the avionics, fire safety systems was developed. And lastly, these are all the references that I referred for dumb body rise indicator project. Yeah, this is all about my today's presentation. Thank you all for watching my video. Please hit the like button, give your comments, and do support. Thank you all.